Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your JBL PartyBox. It's the same for the 100, 200 and 300 or version. In this case this is 100 option version. So first of all we need to turn on device. As you see I turn off, so I'm gonna be turn on. Press this button. Yep, it's been a wake up. And now press and hold plus button and this play button together. Press and hold, keep holding. Still holding button. Keep holding. Yep. Now the device was reset, hard reset, and we're gonna be start with the new brand firmware with the hard reset. As you see, the operation is done. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. See you by next video. Hey.